Cathie, I think of you guys as big tech investors. I mean, have you been using these volatile periods and these down days to add to your exposure?
Yes, we tend to use these days to consolidate. When there are corrections in the market, we consolidate towards our highest conviction name, so absolutely we've been doing that.
That is Tesla.
Well, Tesla, if a stock is above 10% in our portfolios, as it is, because it did appreciate from 170s up into the 230 range, we cannot buy it. So we've been holding strong there. We have been buying Stratasys, Square. We've been buying Xilinx, some of the more cyclical names that have been hit here, semiconductors among them.
And do you feel, though, that the market has sell off broadly, or those have just been dragged down as well, or the fact that lower yields gives you the opportunity to pick them up?
I think, as Mike said, there's just so much anxiety in the market. We're just picking our spots in names that have been hit disproportionately hard. Some of them, like Square, may not have had perfect quarters, but we think they're gaining huge share in the financial services industry and even share against PayPal's Venmo.
I see that you're in Teladoc, which is a name that I've been in.
Yes.
I got stopped out of it recently, but I'm thinking about putting it back on. Isn't this like the perfect wheelhouse if you think that maybe companies are going to get more cost conscious? Like they're going to save insurance companies a ton of money if they can shift millions of people to getting used to telemedicine and internet medicine. We'll talk a little bit about what you see for that name.
Oh, absolutely. And I think millennials love it, but also elderly people love it. So, yes, all of our portfolios are about better, cheaper, faster, new products and services. And they usually do very well during a downturn. And yet the stocks get hit.
Did you buy that here in the mid-50s?
Yes.
Although semis, I don't know, Cathie. So they bounced today. They're 11.5% off the highs. Every time there's a negative trade headline, which who knows when the next one is coming.
Yes.
That's the group in the crosshair.
What's really interesting, today Evercore ISI published, I believe it was Evercore ISI, a statistic suggesting that China is showing some signs of life. And I remember in 2016, when the world was ending, according to the markets, that indicator flickered. And could it be that all of the tax cuts and monetary stimulus and their currency depreciation is actually stimulating that economy in ways that people are not appreciating now? They think that the trade talks are the be-all and end-all. Maybe not.